Alright everyone, so we have the AUXBEAM already put in, so it may have been the hindsight of mine. I thought this was optional. So the master switch power cable connect to the ACC. So I thought it was one or the other. I thought it was the battery cables and or this to get the power. I don't know. So I have the fuse tap, so I'm going to use the ACC underneath the dash board. It's on the Tundra, it's on the left side under the steering wheel. So just to make sure I have it correct, I had to buy one from AutoZone because the one they sent in the AUXBEAM was a long skinny ones, and then I have the low profile fuses for the truck. So I'm tapping into the ACC fuse, which is a 7.5. So I put that one closer to where we're tapping in, and then the 5 came with the AUXBEAM, but again it was the different fuse. So I just made sure I had the right fuses. I don't like these connections. I absolutely hate them. So what we're going to do is use some heat shrink, and hopefully that definitely works out better. So again, here we have, I got everything set up. I don't know if I've been doing this for a couple days, only because of work and stuff, kids. So yeah, so everything's set up. So I'm gonna hook it up here, run it through. I can't see. There it is. We were able to get that through, and since that's opened, I'll just squeeze it through there, and then I'll probably put some like silicone or something just to kind of seal it. Connect it, and hopefully we get power. So there is power to it. I checked with my fuse. I'm sorry, my drawing a brain fart. Voltmeter. So there is power to it. I just wasn't getting power to here. So that would make sense that as these two are connected, it's not getting power. So we'll try it out because this is not getting power. So we're gonna try that. So again, I ran it underneath. It just goes underneath through here, and I ran it underneath the mat. I might keep it like that, honestly. I'm not sure, or I'll probably run it up through the back. We'll see. Yeah. So the fuses are up there, and where you can see it on the bottom left. Go up 3, that's 7.5. The first one, that's what we're gonna tap into. So we'll see how it goes. All right, there you have it. So it should be long enough to go through the firewall and to there, hopefully. If not, I'll find one in the actual fuse box. So we'll find out. All right. So it's connected. Use one of my tools for the lights, the little pry tools. Put it in there. Put it through. Went underneath. And now, let's see, I have it here just for now. Bam. Now it works. See. I don't know if it turns off or not. If it doesn't, I really don't care. Oh, I see. Oops, sorry about that. So it's for that. There you go. So I'll probably end up putting it right here somewhere. And then I'll connect the lights. And we'll see how it looks. thanks guys for watching. Sorry it's been a pretty long video. Had a little complications, so now we're ready to put up the running board lights in another video, and the floodlight or the LED light bar. Hope this helps.